Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to recover deleted Safari history on Mac. So first of all, let's go to the menu bar and open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, move to the top left corner and click on Safari from the menu bar. From this drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. A new settings panel will appear on your screen. Head to this panel. Here, find and click on the Privacy tab. Inside the Privacy section, look for the option called Manage Website Data and click on it. Now, a new window will open showing all the website data stored by Safari. Here, you can find a detailed list of websites you have visited before, which can help you recover or check browsing history that may no longer appear in the normal history section. This method is useful because Safari stores website data like cookies and cache, which can sometimes help you trace websites you visited earlier. And that's it. This is how you can recover deleted Safari history on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.